will get a fantastic surprise to watch the surprises. Please watch the video till the end. So the materials required for this activity are these paper flowers. Wow! So now we will show you how to make them. First, on a paper, you have to draw the shape of a flower. Then you have to color it and cut it out, and then fold the petals this way. Then you need a big plate. You can even make the flowers with colored paper. Wow. Then you need water. So let's start the activity. So first, we will take the glass of water and pour in the plate. Let's start our experiment. Now I'm going to drop the flower. Me too. See, it's already blooming. Isn't that beautiful? Right, Shriya? Yes, it's looking beautiful. It's so pretty. It's looking great. I don't have any words for saying this. Yes, it's speechless. Yes, it's speechless. Wow. Now let's drop the other flowers. No. I don't have any words for this. See, this one is blooming already. It looks so pretty. The colors are very, beautiful, unique. Yes. Wow. Look at these 4 flowers. Aren't they looking pretty, Shriya? Yes. It's speechless. So speechless. Yes. Now see this. This is the flower. It started blooming and it's bloomed already. So now let's drop the cute small flowers. Small. I think so we should start with yellow. Yellow. Yes. Blue. And then blue. See, it started blooming. Yes, it's so pretty. Now let's drop the red one. Yeah. Oopsies. Now orange, Wow. The small flowers are looking even more pretty. Oh, see, it started blooming. Yes. It is blooming like a real flower. Yeah. So all our flowers are bloomed and they are looking gorgeous, right, Shriya? Yes. Now we will show you the surprise. So as you all know, the 2020 has been a very boring year, and let's welcome the 2021. So, see here. It's looking fantastic. Happy New Year! These are the wishes we wanted to give you. Let's say a goodbye to 2020. We will miss you. Bye 2020. Welcome to 2021. If you want to give a surprise to your friends or mom and dad on their anniversary or birthday party, you can write messages in the middle of the gift and give it to them. Like this. See. Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad! message is this? And like this, you can give a surprise to your mom and dad or friends on their birthday or anniversary. Yes, these are so simple and very innovative and